Hello, and today I'm going to show you some of these bootleg Sailor Moon minifigures from KOPF. But I think it's out for 2018. Well, first up here's Sailor Moon. She has yellow pigtails hair, with printed red spots on it. She wears her blue and white top with this red ribbon, with his red printed ribbon on top, with this printed red ribbon on its front and on its back. She wears her blue skirt, and she also wears her red boots. And she has a printed tiara on her forehead. And there's some printed skims on its black arms. She also wears white gloves. I can turn her face around so you can see. She was feeling excited. Well, next here's Serena when she becomes Sailor Moon. She has yellow pigtail hairpiece, her printed red spots on it. She wears her blue and white top with a printed ribbon on its front, and there's the printed blue ribbon on its back. She wears her blue skirt, and she has white socks and black shoes. I could wiggle it off so I could turn it, her face round, and now she was feeling in love. You can see the hearts on her eyes. Next here's Tuxedo Mask. He has black hair. He wears her He has black hair. He wears his black overalls. And she also wears white gloves. And there's also a cape on. And she wears her white mask on. Tuxedo Mask was Sailor Moon's boyfriend who tried to save them when the Sailor Scouts gets fouled. So I can wiggle it off, so I can turn his head round. And now he was not wearing his mask. Well, next here's Sailor Mercury. He has black, he has blue, she has blue hair, she wears her blue and white top that has a printed blue ribbon on its front and on its back. Yeah, she has skin printing on its white arms. She wears her blue skirt and she also wears blue boots. I could wiggle the hairpiece off because it's a bootleg. The hairpiece would get stuck on its head, so I can turn her head around. As you can see, she was feeling a bit surprised. Well, next here's Sailor Mars. You see, this comes with this spare arm in this packet. And this black curly female's hairpiece would accidentally stuck on its head, so I used this mini doll Stephanie's hairpiece instead. And she has black hair and she wears her red and white top with a purple and red ribbon printing on its front and the printed ribbon on its back. She wears a black skirt and she also wears red shoes. She also wears red slippers, and there's some more skin printing on her arms. So let me turn her face around. So you can see she was feeling cross. Next is Sailor Jupiter. She has a dark brown ponytail hairpiece. She wears her green and white top with a printed ribbon that is pink and green on its front, and there's the printed pink ribbon on its back. She wears her green tutu and she also wears green boots, and there's some more skin printing on her arms. I can possibly wiggle this ponytail hairpiece because it's stuck. So let me turn her head round. And now she was feeling a bit happy. And lastly, here's Sailor Venus. She has yellow hair. She wears her orange and white top with a printed dark blue and orange ribbon on its front and the printed blue ribbon on its back. Some more skin printing on her white arms. And she wears her orange skirt, and she also wears orange slippers. So let me turn her head around. But now she was feeling quite a bit happy, but unfortunately she does not wear her red ribbon on the back of her hair. It's a good idea if I can use this Lego Friends Emma's hairpiece for her. So you can see she now has a ribbon on her back of her hair. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my review on these bootleg Sailor Moon minifigures. Tell me if you like these. So I'll be back for another video soon.